What do, gang? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, man. We outside here at the ATL Street Whips event. It been lit, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy Greensboro 903, boy. Going up all 2024. Run it up, gang.
Sure. Y'all know my video when I said I think I seen my partner. That's who I was talking about. Man, stand up, bro. When I told her, you remember when I said I think I seen my partner? Yeah. That nigga with the long ass hair? Oh, that's shit. Y'all see how long that nigga shit is, man? Man, that nigga shit long, man. Real talk. So my guy pulled up on me. Y'all see what's going on, man. We in Atlanta right now. We still in Atlanta. He from Atlanta, so shit. You would take a track off over this?
Hell yeah.
All day.
And a fucking heart.
No, for real?
I wouldn't even have to say I wouldn't have to say CA or track.
Track off.
Track all day. Bro.
All day.
All day. It's a grocery getter and that bitch running.
Nah,
every
for sure.
time.
I'm gonna put this stuff right here at the bottom of this video, man. Hey. Why you limping like that, man?
Cause I'm old, nigga.
Uh-oh.
Which one y'all said for 1, 2, 3? Where is it at? See if I'm gonna do. Anybody, where is it at?
Come on, bet.
Show me got the two. Place it up. See it. Oh, Jones. Where is it?
No. I got it.
Jones.
Come on, I got it.
Put your money, get on out of here.
I got you.
Place it up.
Nah, I'm good.
I'm gonna come to interview. I'm trying to see. It's gonna be one thing. What's up? What you got in for the camera, bro? How many times you like me? You said what? How many times you been in that video? About 100. All right. I hear it.
It's Quan on track off. This is red out right here. Alright, I'll see you, good dude. A lot of people don't. They want the pink. Why?
Honestly.
stick the lip on that motherfucker. Got some roaches, bro. He said he messed his car up the other day.
Last night?
Yeah, when he was swinging.
Ah, damn.
Yeah, he said he gonna go get it looked at when he get home. Yeah. Oh, bad.
You love this bitch. You keep it
Yeah, all right, so I'm about to get ready to end this video, man. We at Freddy's. It's like my second time eating this shit. It ain't too bad. But anyway, we ran into some young dudes, his age.
We ran into Quan and Ra.
I didn't know who they was.
Quan, Ra, Eliante, and some Quan, the brother. It was a lot of them. We ran into a lot of them.
I ain't gonna say I don't know who they was, cause I be coming across his channel on YouTube. But boy, the game they gave us, bro.
Yeah, they dropped. I ain't gonna lie, there was some real shit they just did. They dropped crazy jewels,
like some shit that you paid $1,000 for. You feel what I'm saying? And I like because how they all came in together.
And they left together.
Come on, man.
They a lot of them. They as a team.
Bro, they came in.
If y'all see them in person, they is working, bro. Like they is like this. They as a team, bro.
Bro, they working. And you know another thing I like about that dude, Quan.
He is humble. That man
Very,
is humble.
very, very humble, bro. Like he took a picture with all of his fans. I'm talking about
every single one.
And smiled in every picture. You feel me? The dude very humble, man. So, but it's
like he a regular dude. You can have a conversation with him. You want just
what's the black dude name?
Ra.
Ra, you might not see this. You might do see this. But boy, I appreciate you.
I appreciate you.
The game you gave us.
I forgot the other dude name too. He gave us some crazy other dudes.
I got him on Instagram though. But him too. But man, networking is major, bro. Like them boys, like they up 2 or 3 mil, bro. Like they subscribers go crazy. But anyway, man, if you're doing YouTube, get out and network, bro. And major shout out to my boy Savage, man. Make sure y'all go.
Savage, man.
392 Savage, man. Go shout out to him. Go subscribe to his channel, bro.
Shout out to Brendo. Shout out to all of them.
Anyway, all them boys. But we about to get ready. I ain't gonna end the video right now. We about to get ready to go to our room. And once I get to this room, man, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all.